Hey everyone, I just got an email from Simon, and he is going to Blaze of Glory, which is a thematic event, sort of tournament-ish, or friendly tournament. Let's call it friendly tournament, casual tournament. It has 1,000 point single platoon. You cannot take more than 2 flamethrowers of any type, um, and there is a bonus for MMGs, infantry-borne MMGs, so that they can actually deliver an automatic pin if you just declare a target. Um, if you can hit that target, right? And you can get an additional pin if you hit it. It'll be a little bit more difficult to hit them. So, an interesting concept, right? Let's see what he is bringing for that. Because this is of course a list review, right? Let's see, just here we go. 14 order dice, 999 points. I really like that. That's a good point count, order dice count for 1,000 points. And it's the Stalingrad Armored Kampfgruppe, so Germans. We have a second lieutenant, regular. If you could get the points, I would give him an extra man, maybe even two. It just makes them a little bit more useful. It makes them an extra infantry unit. Let's see if we can find you the points. Panzer Grenadiers, nice. 2 rifle and 4 SMGs. If they can, I can't remember if they can, but if they can, I think I would give them a Panzerfaust. So we're going to need to find more points for you. And a Panzer III, yes. This is the Darker Panzer. It's very, very strong, very good. Good choice of armor for this. Hair Pioneers, 4 SMGs. Wow! And a flamethrower. Yes, because they're veteran, I think I would also equip them with SMGs in this. Yeah, because that will mean even if you know the flamethrower dies to a sniper shot, or you get shot at after you disembark them, they still have some power left in them. Yeah, Hair Infantry, regulars, 7 men. This could be cut down to 6, but I like the 7-men setup because of the odd numbers and how that affects with casualties. So I like that. And another Hair Pioneer with SMGs and Flamethrower. You better have something to transport these. I'm just saying, Simon, you better have some transport. I know that you're not a hyper-competitive player, but Simon wants to do better, right? He wants to be better than middling. I get that. So these need transport, right? They definitely do. Medium mortar, inexperienced. Very good. Anti-tank rifle team, yes. I would rather take Panzerfausts if you could. They're much better anti-tank options. But the anti-tank rifle team is a cheap order, guys. Field car with a Flak 38. That is terrifying for light armor. Lovely. Your enemy stewards, basically. That is what is going to hunt. A motorcycle with machine gun sidecar. Very, very good. Another Panzer. Very, very strong list, isn't it? And a... Oh... Ah! Is that good enough? Yeah, the heavy field car is okay. Why the truck, though? Look, you're paying 54 points for a regular truck with a pintle-mounted MMG, which, okay, um, that's a lot of points for a 12-man capacity truck. What are you going to transport in it? You need your pioneers transported, right? That's basically what you need to transport. That is your pioneers. That doesn't need to be 12-man capacity unless you put both pioneers in with that truck. I think I would cut this down to an inexperienced heavy field car for the pioneers, and then use the remaining points for something of what we've been talking about. Um, so get some Panzerfausts if you can. Get an extra man for your lieutenant. Maybe even buy that MMG squad. MMG, just because an automatic pin is actually worth it. You're guaranteed a pin, right? So buy them inexperienced, 35 points. I think I would do that. It's not a bad list at all. I like the double Dagger Panzer here. It's not a bad list. There are some minor changes I would do, but not a lot. It's got a lot of firepower as well. And especially since tank platoons are not allowed, your three vehicles, your two Panzer IIIs and your flak vehicle, Horch field car, that's really going to hurt the enemy. And this is bought as an artillery piece. Look at that. Really, really going to hurt. You have a lot of firepower on this list. I just think you need a couple of Panzerfausts. That's it. That's what I would do. Right, Simon, good luck, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.